How to set your alarm with Spotify Music. Imagine this. Tomorrow, your iPhone wakes you with your favorite track instead of a beep. Let's set that up now. You only need two things: an iPhone with Spotify installed and a Spotify compatible alarm app. Step 1. Open the App Store, search Alarmify, download it, and launch it. Tap Connect to link your Spotify account and wait until it finishes syncing. Step 2. Set your wake up time by choosing the exact hour and minute you want. Step 3. Choose your music. Tap, choose Select Alarm Sound. Search for any song, artist, or playlist you love and confirm. I picked Taylor Swift. Last thing, switch the alarm on. The first time, iOS will ask to send notifications, tap Allow, so it can actually wake you up. That's it. Enjoy waking up to music tomorrow. Tell me in the comments which track you picked, like if this helped, and subscribe for more simple morning upgrades.